Mukbang Mermaid, Mukbang Mermaid.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way. No! You're not gonna stop me on this one, Abner. I'm sorry. I know I can do it, and I will do it. Challenge number 2 starts now. Have a good day at work. Rebels, I can't eat. I can't sleep. All I've been thinking about is that challenge that I didn't complete. If you missed it, it's the Mukbang Mermaid Swedish Fish Challenge. So I'm back today for round 2. Today's challenge is Mukbang Mermaid Box Jellyfish Challenge! Bubbles and friends, you are welcome to attempt this challenge. If you do, please @ me, #me, Mukbang Mermaid Box Jellyfish Challenge! Now let me get the ingredients. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous marine creatures out there. So today, either the box jellyfish is gonna take me down, or I'm gonna take it down. Let's do this, Bubbles. If you like to attempt this challenge, you're attempting it at your own risk. There's only one step. You wanna slather your fish with jelly? Oh, I can do this. Never quit. Never give up. Never quit. Never give up. Just get some jelly on those bad boys and hope they don't sting you on the way down. Alright, Bubbles. Do you have what it takes to complete the box jellyfish challenge? If you do, tag me, @ me, #me. I want to add you to my page and put you on my community post to share out to all my Bubbles and friends. Let the challenge begin. 1 minute, 6 jellyfish. I can do this. Come on, Muck. You can do this challenge. Okay, let me put 1 minute on the board. I'm gonna go in. 1, 2, 3. I did it. Bubbles, if you think you have what it takes to complete the box jellyfish challenge, please @ me, notify me, # me. Never quit, Rebels. Never quit. It reminds me of a poem called Don't Quit. There's a poem that I love, and it's called Don't Quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the and you want to smile, but you have to sigh. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but do not quit. You see, life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a failure turns about when they may have won had they stuck it out. Don't give up, though the pace may seem slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is near then. It seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup. And he learned too late when the night came down how close he was to the golden crown. You see, success is failure turned inside out, the silver tints of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So I beg you, stick to the fight when your heart is hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. Well, Bubbles and friends, upon closer inspection, Abner reviewed the tape, and he says, I was still chewing. I did not complete this challenge either. But I won't quit, and I won't give up. If you think you have what it takes to complete the box jellyfish challenge, please send me your videos. I love you, friends. Bubbles. I'm gonna go soak my sorrows away. Bye. Anna, are you sure I was still chewing? Come on, man. No, look at it again. Look at the tape again. I need a recall.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang